This is tonight's moon. Looks pretty full. Does that mean good fishing tomorrow? I'm gonna go get the boat ready. The boat is right over there. So I just grabbed the life jackets and the paddle out of that toolbox. There's now 4 life jackets. There's a paddle. I've also got my brute magnet in there. I got to put on this ratchet strap. I got to put the other boat motor on. Get the battery for the trolling motor. The other guy's bringing. He said he'll bring the cooler, the bait. I guess we'll stop and get snacks. I'm ready. Get the car hooked up. I'm ready. And that's liver?
Yeah, liver. Oh man, there's his pool. Holy cow. He's a big one. Damn, I'm gonna have to come up here and get him on the line. Hang on a second. Yeah, he's a keeper.
So we're just coasting back. The boat ramp's right over there. We've caught 2 fish, 1 keeper and 1 throwbacker. Anyway, the weather's perfect. Slick water, light breezes. Just not a lot of fish going on. Still beats working. After doing saltwater fishing, I like to come to the freshwater river to wash the salt off. Plus we got a good hard rain. This was covered with water, washing all that salty sand off of it. And I'm doing a little fishing with lunch meat, trying to catch whatever. I never catch anything in this river, but it's still fun to try. So we've been at about 15 minutes. I've already broken into the cookies. They were good. And the poles are still out. No bites. Oh, and there's a lack of cup holders. I got my cream soda sitting up here. It's not gonna fall in. And I'm starting to see lightning. I think we'll go ahead and pack it up. I was gonna look for gators tonight, but I think lightning trumps gators.
Like 12 inches, something like that, maybe?
13 maybe?
Best fish out there.
red.
No, it's not a big red.
Big stingray, maybe? What is it?
It's not a stingray.
What is it?
Oh no.
That's a big stingray.
What?
Huge stingray.
It's a manta ray.
Alright, get back on this. This is kind of dangerous way. We're gonna get them up here and then we're gonna get a good look at them and then we're gonna cut them. Or cut the line
Yeah, here's the pliers.
once we get.
Did I do all the pliers?
Mm-hmm.
That might have been what we lost. That's a huge stingray. I was wondering what it was staying down like that. Like, I ain't going up there.
Crab? Crab?
Yeah.
I see it.
You guys catch any yet? Good. That's why I have no fun catching fish,
Mm-hmm.
when you go,
Brave one is gone.